Poem from Tilikannada grade 6. The name of this poem is Suntara Gali and it is written by Kayyara Kinnarai. Suntara Gali means a storm or a cyclone. So let's look at the poem. ಏನಿದು ಧೂಳಿ ಓಹೋ ಗಾಳಿ ತಿರ್ರನೆ ಬಂತೈ ಸುಂಟರ ಗಾಳಿ. Enidu is what is this? Dhuli is dust. So when there is a huge storm, there will be a lot of wind and there will be a lot of dust which is flying in air. Oho gali. Gali means wind. Tirrane bantai. Tirrane means coming in a circular motion or in swirls. Usually the storm comes in a swirl. So, Tirrane bantai suntara gali. The storm has come in swirls and circular motion. It is making the dust fly and there is so much of wind. Tengina maragalu, kangina maragalu, baleyu, taleyu, mavu, halasugalu, yella toogive, talegalu bagive. So, these are all the trees. So when there is a storm and there is a very strong wind, so for that wind all the trees will start swaying and they will bend because they are trying to stop the force of the wind. So they are trying to withstand the force of the wind. So they bend. So it looks like as though all their heads are bent. So these are all the different trees. Tengina mara is coconut tree. Kangina mara is the betel nut tree, Bale is banana, Tale is palm, then Mavu is mango, Halasu is jackfruit. So all these trees are swaying. Tugive means sway and Talegalu bagive. Tale is head. So it looks like their heads are bent down because they are trying to withstand the force of the wind. So the trees naturally they are bending down. Next. Yenidu dhuli, oho gali, suliyuta bantai suntara gali. Okay, so here also suli, tirrane, these all mean circular motion. So the storm, it has come in a circular motion, it has created so much of havoc. There is so much of dust around and there is so much of strong winds around. Kannu muಚ್ಚುತ ಬಾಲವನೆತ್ತಿ ದನ ಓಡುತ್ತಿದೆ ಎತ್ತಲೋ ಸುತ್ತಿ. So since there is so much of wind, the cows are not, dana means cow, and the cows are unable to keep their eyes open. Kannu muಚ್ಚುತ means with the closed eyes, ಬಾಲವನೆತ್ತಿ lifting their tail. The cows are confused and they are running here and there. Amba ಎನ್ನುತ್ತ ಕರು ಬೆಂಬತಿ ಏನಿದು ಧೂಳಿ, and behind the cow the calf is also running, screaming Amba. That's the noise made by the calf. So the calf is shouting Amba and running behind its mother and they are confused. They don't know where to go. So the cows are running here and there. Hoitu henchu, haritu hullu, bobbeya bobbeya ಭಯವೆಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲು, ಕೇಳುವರಾರಿ ಮಂದಿಯ ಗುಲ್ಲು, ಏನಿದು ಧೂಳಿ. So these are all the effects of the strong wind or the storm. The thatched roof or the tiles of the house is all gone. Usually in villages the roof is all made, it is a thatched roof or it is made of tiles. So when there is a very strong wind, they all tend to just fly away. So hoitu means it's all gone. All the thatched roof and the tiles have all gone. Haritu hullu, all the grass is flying away. Bobbeya bobbeya bayavellella. Bobbeya means a loud cry out of fear. Bhaya is fear. Out of fear, the people are screaming loudly. Keluvarari mandiya gullu. Who is there? Who is going to listen to this much of noise and the cry of the people? Yenidu dhuli. What is this? So much of dust. Yenidu kopa. Yarali shapa. Oho. Hechite. ಭೂಮಿಯ ತಾಪ ತಡೆಯವರುಂಟೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪಾಪ ಏನಿದು ಧೂಳಿ. So now the poet is thinking why there is such a big storm. What is the reason? Enidu kopa, on who is the nature angry with? Why is so much of anger? Yarali shapa, whose curse is this? Oho, hechite, bhumiya tapa, did the earth's temperature increase? Hechu is increase, heat, tapa is heat. So did the earth's temperature or the atmosphere increase so much that there is so much of havoc? Tadayuvarunte, ayyo papa. So ayyo papa is like expressing sympathy. The poet is expressing sympathy for all the havoc that this storm has created. And he is asking, who is there to stop it? It is so strong. Who can stop this? Then the last paragraph. Banina bayalindiliyuta banto, ಪಾತಾಳದ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯೊಳಗಡೆಗಿತ್ತೋ, ಕಡಲು ಕಡೆಯುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿತೋ, ಏನಿದು ಧೂಳಿ ಓಹೋ ಗಾಳಿ, ಸುಳಿಯುತ್ತ ಬಂತೈ ಸುಂಟರ ಗಾಳಿ, ಬಾನಿನ ಬಯಲಿನಿಂದಿಳಿಯುತ್ತ ಬಂತೋ. So how did the storm come? Did it come down from the sky? Banu means sky. Did it just get off and come down from the sky? ಪಾತಾಳದ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯೊಳಗಡೆಗಿತ್ತೋ, and was it underground? So was it in the hidden in the underground? ಕಡಲು ಕಡೆಯುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿತೋ, or did the churning of the sea create this storm? ಏನಿದು ಧೂಳಿ ಓಹೋ ಗಾಳಿ, what is this so much of dust and so much of wind? ಸುಳಿಯುತ್ತ ಬಂತೈ ಸುಂಟರ ಗಾಳಿ, and the storm, it has come so much in swirls and twirls and in a circular motion. So this is a poem completely about storm. Like when the storm comes, what are all the effects of the storm? How does it create a havoc in everybody's life?